How to withdraw Rocket Money from ATM. Intro. Hey there, you just received a notification that your Rocket Money has been credited. You're excited to spend it, but you're not sure how to withdraw it from an ATM. Hook. Have you ever stood in front of an ATM, staring at the screen, feeling like a deer caught in headlights? Wondering which button to press, or if you're even doing it right? Building context. Today, we're going to demystify the process of withdrawing Rocket Money from an ATM. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro, confidently navigating the ATM interface and enjoying your hard-earned funds. Main content. Choosing the right ATM. Not all ATMs are created equal. Some may not support Rocket Money withdrawals. Tip: look for ATMs with the logos of major banks or financial institutions. These are more likely to be compatible. Inserting your ATM card. Locate the card slot on the ATM. It's usually on the front, near the bottom. Tip: ensure your card is facing the right way. There's often a small arrow or symbol indicating the correct orientation. Entering your PIN. You'll be prompted to enter your ATM PIN. This is the 4-digit code you use to access your account. Tip: remember to shield your PIN from prying eyes to protect your security. Selecting the withdrawal option. Once you've entered your PIN, you should see a menu of options. Look for the option labeled withdrawal or something similar. Tip: if you're unsure, you can often press the help or cancel button for assistance. Choosing your account. If you have multiple accounts linked to your ATM card, you may be asked to select the account from which you want to withdraw. Tip: double-check the account number to ensure you're withdrawing from the correct source. Entering the withdrawal amount. Use the ATM's keypad to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Tip: be mindful of your daily withdrawal limit. If you're withdrawing a large amount, you may need to make multiple transactions. Confirming the withdrawal. The ATM will display a confirmation screen showing the amount you're about to withdraw. Review the details carefully before confirming. Tip: if you make a mistake, you can usually cancel the transaction at this point. Collecting your cash. Once you confirm the withdrawal, the ATM will dispense your cash. Tip: count your money immediately to ensure you've received the correct amount. Removing your card. After collecting your cash, remove your ATM card from the slot. Tip: don't forget to take your card with you. Taking your receipt. The ATM will usually print a receipt showing the details of your transaction. Tip: keep your receipt for your records. Outro. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn Rocket Money from an ATM. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use ATMs, the more comfortable you'll become. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy banking.